Everyone has come back ready.
Everyone has a Hellstone.
Hopefully. Pull timer's going out. Pull timer is now live. Respect the pull timer. Miss Jackson tricks diesel.
Tusk up, tusk up.
I've never died on my shaman in here. Ronan. Jesus.
Missing wisdom on shamans, by the way.
Pull it to the rocks. If you're not a hunter, be on his butt. Zakufar.
Yeah, the MD didn't properly go up.
Gotcha. Just fix it for the next one. Again, if you're not a hunter, be on his butt. A little further back, Fossilis. So, that's a good spot. Grab it when you can. That's workable. Hunters, do your things.
Alright, melee, just start getting out of there. Submerge in 5.
Submerge in 3. Do not break these northern patches, go break every other ice patch in the room. Okay, you can just go break that patch that just dropped, that's fine.
Okay.
Kill swarm scarabs. Attack them with extreme prejudice. Hunt them down and kill them, stun them, slow them.
There's one on Maru.
2 on me even. Hunt them down, kill them, don't let them touch you. Zonk, you are targeted, take it to a patch. Respect that southern patch. No need to cut it. And break that last patch, get emerge in 10 seconds. Ocean Master, please go to and break the patch, raid adjust. Raid adjust.
Help the scarabs, like, I don't know,
Oh my
they're
gosh,
staying
you-
up too much. Feign death, like, whatever you guys have to do, don't pull.
Wait.
We have to wait, we got way too much fucking...
Hunters, do your thing.
Way too many
Stop on boss.
mandibles.
Stop on boss, hunters, do your thing. Stop on boss, stop on boss, hunters. Stop on boss, DPS, you must stop on boss. DPS, you
Full
must
hots
stop
on
boss.
Slayer, he's a retard, look at that, 8 stacks.
I've got hots on him, don't worry.
Wait.
Got like 10 more seconds.
Is this positioning good?
You can
It's
go.
fine.
Honestly,
That's
you can
good.
go. You can go. It's fine.
If you're not a hunter, stack on his butt. If you're not a hunter, stack on his butt. Hunters get in position for
UAds?
ads.
UAds.
Hunters get in position for ads. Hunters do your thing.
Okay, here we go.
Probably want to go.
Okay, push, everyone push as hard as
Heroism.
you can. Heroism.
Use your pot.
Use your pot.
We're gonna call off for my DSEC.
Yeah, do it at your leisure, man. Hunter's position for ads. Set up everyone really cool. Hunter's ads.
If you have penetrating cold and you can heal yourself.
Boom, dude.
No way! Oh, I was taking! Good shit!
Man, we were due.
And everybody that's impatient, here's a mailbox.
I'm just gonna point this out. Every time I show up, it's pretty much every time I show up, we get Immortality. I'm just saying. Just saying.